Now, this illustration deals with the system bonding jumper. However, we're using it in accordance with 250.30A5, exception 1. Now, notice in the illustration we have two bars there. One bar, the grounded conductor from the separately derived system, is connecting to the isolation bar. Then notice a little donut is put between that strap that you would have there that is connected to the bar that is bonded and grounded to the enclosure. And then we could have, say, equipment grounds routed back to the grounded bar that's bonded to the can. And we could put a little donut there and monitor leakage current that may be coming back over the equipment grounding manners and know if we have objectionable current flowing. Are we having a current flow beyond a setting maybe that we would have on a sensing device or whatever? So the donut that you see there detects leakage current. And then where the system bonding jumper for is a wire or a bus bar, it can be connected to the grounding electrode conductor, e.g. T bar, or bus provided if it is a sufficient size in accordance with 250.30A5, exception number 1. Now notice this is one of the cases that grounded neutral or grounded conductor coming off the secondary side of that transformer would connect to a bar that's isolated instead of directly to the bar that is connected to ground. This exception 1 would allow such a type of installation as you see. And then notice again we have PVC, so that the way that bar is isolated and one bonded into the enclosure there, there's no parallel path there at all, so we can have the XO bonded to the enclosures you see at the transformer and connected into the structural steel, which those sections we have already reviewed and talked about. But if you're dealing with a separately derived system, my suggestion to you as a designer, electrician, or contractor, maybe even as inspector, review the 250.30 figures in its entirety. Then you have it all. You're not missing out on anything. That is just my recommendation. Instead of coming and reviewing this one figure without you already have all this knowledge that you would see in the figures illustrating 250.30A in its entirety.